Hi everyone, and warm welcome to my channel where I review items that I find beautiful and useful. And today I want to share with you a very special unboxing of a bag that I've been thinking about for probably over 2 years. And I think that this may become my statement bag. I'm a person who loves lilac color. I loved that since my childhood. I also adore scent of fresh lilacs in the beginning of summer. But I've never seen a bag in lilac color that would have the right nuance. And also the design that wouldn't be like very childish, but the Valextra Iside handbag in color lilac may be the one. So let's unbox together and find out. So the bag arrived in this box. I've just removed some shipping labels to not film them. So let's open it together. So let's open the box together now. And here we have a packing list. And have a look, there is a green box inside with a note from Valextra. I'll put the shipping box aside. So there are some more documents here. And have a look how beautifully is it packed. So let's have a look at it together. It's hidden among paper. Okay, here's the dust bag. It feels really nice and a really good quality. And let's have a look at the bag together. Tum, tum, tum. Here it is. Oh wow, the color. I mean, it is perfectly lilac. Ah. I mean, it's just incredible. It's even more beautiful in person than in the photos. The nuance is exactly as I would have imagined it to be. Oh my. It's incredibly pretty. And the size looks like perfect. The design and the size and the color, everything looks simply perfect. Now let's inspect it a little bit closer. The glazing, the glazing I see is impeccable as well. I know that they really care about the details such as glazing. Now size-wise, this is a mini version. And let me show you some close-ups of the leather so you can see how incredibly beautiful it is. So here is a close-up, how beautiful is this grained leather. And the handbag has 4 supporting feet. And have a look at the glazing. It's like, it's just so even and incredible, and the craftsmanship is wow. And here's the top handle. And then I see it is possible to put a crossbody strap in here. I will still have to try that out. There's no pocket or so on the other side, just this beautiful leather. It continues. I mean, what an amazing bag. It's like a piece of art, isn't it? Such a simple, classic design, quality, beautiful, beautiful craftsmanship. And inside we should find a strap for crossbody wear. However, let's see how easy it is to wear it as a top handle bag. Yeah, it's really generous and comfortable handle, I see. Now if we open the bag, yes, inside indeed there is a shoulder strap. And the beautiful, beautiful lining as well. It is in light leather. And there is one pocket inside, otherwise just one big compartment. And here's the inside. And the logic here seems rather simple. We push this down, add the crossbody strap, and slide this upwards. Voila! Let's do it for the other side. And here we have it now with a crossbody strap attached. Here is also the closure mechanism. And I really love that the lever is incredibly soft and gentle. However, it's still very structured shape of the bag, and I don't like any squishy or slouchy bags, and this one is so structured but still keeping the softness and gentleness of the lever. So it's not like very hard to touch and sturdy, but it is very well balanced design and lever choice. Have a look at this glazing. Wow, it's amazing. So let's now have a look what fits inside. If we start with foam, of course it does fit. Perhaps a pouch with necessities, sunnies, wallet and keys, perhaps a hand cream as well. Let's now see how to close it. Like that. Wow! Wow, it really has generous compartment that fits a lot. I think it would fit a small notebook as well, but probably wouldn't fit a bottle of water. I am impressed, and I'm super excited and glad to have this bag in my collection. It looks just so incredibly fresh and adds a pop of color in a light pastel nuance that I've been searching for years. And the design is so classic and elegant that it doesn't look any childish. And you know what? I think I have a twilly that would fit this bag. Let me try to find it. Here it is. Let's try it on. Have a look. What do you think about this? To me, this is a 100% lilac moonlight statement handbag. It is exactly as I have expected it to be, size-wise, color-wise, design-wise, and quality-wise as well. It has a really unique grained lever, I see, and it's very structured. So thanks everyone for watching this unboxing and review of Valextra handbag, my first Valextra, and the one that I've been wishing for quite some time, and now finally I have it. Let me know in comments if you have any questions about it, and I would be really glad to answer. Or if you have Valextra, what are your thoughts about it? Do you like it? What do you think are pros and cons? I haven't uncovered any cons yet. As you can see, I'm just simply super excited to finally have it. It would be interesting to hear your experience. So welcome to subscribe if you enjoy my content and would like to support my experiment on YouTube that I started just a couple of months ago. And have a lovely day. Bye for now.